people are really not having some transparency here. You do not have any doubts left when you go back home. And I visited some farms lately throughout India. Moreover, the clarity of each topic that Mr. Swapnil gives you is really in depth. Hello everyone, I'm Kartik Sharma and I have attended Sahyadri Pearl Farming's offline training here. So I have to tell you that I've dabbled into this business for quite a few months now, and I visited some farms lately throughout India. I have to put forward this that while you enroll for training, people are really not having some transparency here. So either they do not show you their farms or they hide the exact resources from where you can gain more knowledge and maybe become self-sufficient for that. So that's one thing that you can really find here. And moreover, the clarity of each topic that Mr. Swapnil gives you is really in depth, and you do not have any doubts left when you go back home. This was one thing that gives you an edge over any other person taking training anywhere else. Moreover, he's teaching you the things that you need to do currently, not any outdated techniques that maybe has been learned by the trainer years and years back. That was one thing. Really impressed by his training. A huge thanks to Mr. Swapnil Salvi for providing everyone this opportunity so that they can start their entrepreneurship journey. Thank you.